Alright, so we're here at the St. Pete Beach in Paso Grill. This beach was allegedly voted number 5 in the world, so we're gonna go look around and check out why.
And number 1 in the United States.
Yep.
So, it looks like the water's pretty clear, so. Oh look, apparently you can rent cabanas. 25 the day. I can see why it was voted number 5 in the world. The water is pretty clear. You can see, I've already seen 2 big objects move through here, so I'm not quite sure what those were.
No, she didn't. She's seeing things. She had a few drinks. I'm just kidding.
No, one was striped. One was striped and one was just a black object that went that way. And it moved. Come on, there are sharks in this water.
Well, no, but there is a sandbar out there. You could stand if you go out far enough.
The water was a little cold when we first got in, but it seems to have warmed up some.
You just got to get used to it.
See, now I can't see the bottom.
Let's see, maybe you viewers at home can. Yep. I don't know if you can see anything, but that was kind of your first dunk under the water. Yeah, it gets a little deep here, but then you go into a sandbar, and then it's nice and shallow again. And then I'm out at the sandbar now. So after we can see it's like waist deep here. After you get past that first little divot.
There's the Don Cesar Hotel, the pink one. I'm not sure what these places are.
So we're checking out the beach at night. It's very beautiful out here.
It's a little dark, but see, Nikolai brought a lantern.
Yeah. It's not so hot. It's actually nice and breezy.
Oh yeah.
Sand is cool on your feet. It's actually probably one of the best enjoyable times for going into a beach.
Yeah, just not swimming.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to jump in that water. It was already cold enough without the sun going down.
So, I don't know if you can see this, but all the lights are on. Every hotel. So it's all lit up. All right, let's go.
Let's see how
Oh, don't go any further. Are you crazy? Your pants are all wet now. Is it warm or cold?
It's about what it felt like earlier.
Oh, so it's cold.
It didn't really get cold or hot.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's my pants already got wet on the bottom, but that's okay. We're gonna be done for the night when we go back.
Alright, so we hope you enjoyed this small look at St. Pete Beach. I thought it was a pretty beautiful beach.
Yeah, definitely I can see why it's ranked as high as it was.
So
Compared to the other ones around Florida that we went to.
yeah, but most of the beach in this area are on the top 20 list. I think there's Clearwater, Reddington, Madeira. There's a whole bunch in this area though, and it's a whole chain. We're at the bottom of the chain, and if you just ride the chain up, you'll see all the different beaches. But I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button.
Or leave a comment below.
Yeah, tell us what your favorite beach is. It could be anywhere in the world. It doesn't have to be in Florida.
And maybe one day we'll be able to check it out.
Oh, definitely.
Yep.
So, but until next time.
Yep. See you later.